description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. We're rolling on with all the stuff that Kenchan Ramen sent. Thank you very much. This is their Japanese Soba noodles. This one has a Yuzu flavor shichimi with it. So we'll give it a try. I'm game. One sachet. It's got 2 servings, so you get 2 of each. But I will be preparing it as it were for a single human being. Today is the 12th day. The 12th day of March 2025. And that's what's going on. A lot of crazy stuff in the news. I really don't care about it anymore. But I'll probably yammer about it once in a while. Some people don't like that, but I don't care. I came here to listen about noodles, not to hear anything about stuff going on in the news that's real. It's like, yeah, whatever. But I know some of you came here to watch Noodles cook. And so, wow, this is a weird one. Here we are. There's always this little tab where the bundle of noodles is secured, but these don't want to let go. Wow. I stabbed myself. Just a small stab. Just a little stab, it won't hurt. There, you're okay with that. Just a little stab. So there's one bundle. These are buckwheat noodles, and I will be right off the bat honest with you. I've never really been a big fan of buckwheat noodles, but we will see. That one came off easier, huh? All right, there go our buckwheat noodles, and they go for 4 minutes, and you can watch them cook because that's what you like. It's something you enjoy day by day, by day, by day. So these guys are really into the whole cook your noodles, drain them, and then add them to different water. And it's such a pain. I don't know. But if they're telling me to do it, that's what I'm doing. Got me? So you can make these hot or cold. I'm going to make these hot with a broth, and the next one I do, which won't be the next one but the one after that, that one will be cold. And the following 2 episodes you will see are both gluten-free varieties. So I don't know what the difference between this and their other one is, because this, maybe the broth and stuff isn't gluten-free, but I guess we'll find out. The gluten-free one is more of just a straight spicy variety. But I believe the noodle is the same. I could be different. I mean, I could be wrong. Ugh. Went out, did a bit of walking today. It was rainy. It continues to be rainy. That's fine. Yeah, that's what's going on Tuesday. Went and watched my daughter play softball last night. She's getting there. It'll happen. It's only their second practice. I think my wife prefers the place we saw her do practice on Saturday rather than the one we went to last night. It's a junior high baseball diamond, but to get there you got to walk up a lot of steps, and she just had knee surgery not long ago, so walking up a crap load of steps isn't her like her thing. Can't blame her at all for that. Okay, but yeah, very dreary day outside. Sometimes that happens. And that's okay, I believe. But I had leftover chashu from the ones, because the ones I did the last 2 episodes, they came with 2 servings. So when that happens, I save stuff, you know. And man, buckwheat noodle, I tell you. But the last 2 had leftover chashu and stuff, but I didn't dehydrate or defrost that. So I'm going to use the stuff I made this weekend. And you will enjoy, I think. At least I hope. So the next one, the next 2 are going to be gluten-free. That'll be really interesting. But yeah, I've got this pot here that I got to a boil, and then immediately got this pot to a boil. And so it should come to a boil again fairly quickly. Alright, let's drain this. Wow, that's a lot of noodles. Dropping it in the bowl. And there's our buckwheat noodle. And there, yeah, look at that. There's a lot of it. If you're in the mood for noodles, this'll do you. And that's plenty hot. So in here we're gonna add the liquid base. It's funny though, because I'm pretty sure in the next one it's gonna have the same base. Not the next one, but the other boxed version that they sent. And it'll, I don't know. One is gluten-free, one isn't. Oh, it's got a different sachet, that's right. I think. There we go, there's our broth. And it goes on like that. I think that's good. I'm not going to use all of it. So let's first try this. I'm enthused. I haven't had anything to eat today, so we'll see how this does. I'm always enthused when it's a straight noodle. I like that. Okay. Here's our broth. That's interesting. I don't mind that. I'm also generally not a fan of yuzu, but this isn't bad, really. In fact, I don't know what's going on here, but the flavor, it's got some element in it that I'm not familiar with that I like. Okay. Let's add some of the chashu I made. I got 107 slices of chashu, so I don't need to worry about running low on the meat candy. Some chashu, a little bit of seed. Oh yeah, I got mung bean sprouts. I haven't been buying them lately because I've wasted so many mung bean sprouts, and it's like the place where I can get them, they charge like $4 for mung bean sprouts. I know, there's somebody out. Why don't you just grow your own? They're so easy to grow. No. I don't like anything enough to grow it. Are you kidding me? I'll make my own chashu, but that's about as far as it's going. And honestly, with this one, I'm going to use one of these. This is a leftover from yesterday. This is the pepper thread, and I really want to figure out how to make this stuff because it's nice. This stuff is actually really tasty, and I love it. They said, no, we source it. So I've got to I guess I gotta ask them, where do you get this stuff? Because I want to get a bunch of it. But yeah, a Yuzu buckwheat soba. This is actually nice. The broth is tangy. It's good stuff. Well, yeah, neat stuff. Thanks to Kenchan Ramen. If you want to check them out, go to kenchanramen.us and check them out. The next one is another one. It's a collaboration between Kenchan Ramen and Gluten Free Meister. And this is their shio ramen with a ginger and garlic flavor. Sounds good to me. We'll see how it goes. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.